Assalamu alaikum, world GSM friend. Today's subject Dogi is 118 flash file after flashing date mode. Only MTK Prot show 100% tested. Now see you download him on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Tecno KL8H flash file after flashing date mode. Only MTK Prot show 100% tested. Now see you download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, Tecno KL8S flash file 100% tested. Now see email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Tecno KL8H flash file after flashing date only MTK Prot show. Now see you download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Tecno LJ6 flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show 100% tested. Now see you download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Any problem, your solution, flashing not working files, new mobile, others long file flashing set already dead. If solution ready. Next, I tell share tab P01 flash file date mode only. Okay. Next, Tecno BG6H flash file 100% tested. Now see download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, Tecno KL8H flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. The update firmware and already care file download and working now. Next, Tecno KJ5S flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. You don't worry, my file tested and download now and email WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, I tell A05S 8663LC enemy attack and baseband unknown network and 100% tested. Okay. Next, I tell P63L7 flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. Version problem, just the update firmware flash now you download and you on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, Infinix X1201 flash file. The flashing only MTK Prot show. Okay. The download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, ZT Ballet V70 Z2459 DRAM file, the Pandora box, the dead mode, 100% tested. Now see you download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. I am ready only for you. Any problem, any solution, any file you need emergency, I am ready. All GSM friend. Good night. Good night. And last moment, email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Bye bye.